Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what you have to do first, we're just gonna add a text here. I love pasta. Okay, right there, I love pasta. That's very important, essential actually to what we're about to do. So we don't need this. We actually need this, and we need to increase the. We need to increase this. Okay. Now we have this text. I'm gonna zoom in. And now click on your text. And here I'm gonna delete this one. Here we have properties. And here we have appearance. Usually you should be able to find. But if you can't find appearance, what you can do is you also have here appearance. But you can also reset here. Make sure it's advanced, right? You can reset your workspace and click on Reset Essential Classic, and then from Classic go to Basic to Advanced. And now here we just have to double click on Stroke, and here I will just enable Dash. And now here I can simply put an Add Dash, right? Which is great. Now here in opacity, you can change the opacity. Here in stroke, we can change the color. Let's actually enable this. Change the color. Double click on this. Enable dash. Sorry. Now here, I don't know, just type there the amount of dash you want. Let's say 12. Let's say 37. Can add a limit, weight to your dash, you know. And of course here we also have the option to change here in stroke. You can change the stroke, of course. And now, by the way, here if you hold arrows, this can be very helpful if you use the arrows up and down and hold shift. All right. So now you have this dashed text, and of course it's helpful if you want to create a logo and you need some this dashed. And now I know you can expand that object or that text you created, and you can do a lot of stuff with that text. It's very helpful. As you can see, you can convert it, path. Here you can click on, not on this one, where is that option, so you can now if you want this to convert in if you want this to convert, like you go to type, so you have here your text, you can add another one. Okay, and if you select your text and you go to type, now You click on select tool. Now you have your text and you would like to convert this into an object. You can do this as well, and it's quite nice because now you can have this dash line the way you want. So I can simply go like this, and now I'm gonna have this dash line. Now I can convert this because I can go to type and select now your text and create outline. So create outline, and now you'll be able to click here and just edit this outline. So here you have to go to create outline. So that's the tutorial for today. I really hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more. If you have any questions related to Adobe Illustrator, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching and take care.